Hi, I'm Perry Farrell, a manager with Neil Huffman Collision Center, proudly part of the Neil Huffman Automotive Group. Neil Huffman has been repairing cars in this community for over 50 years. After Mr. Huffman opened the dealership in 1969, we opened the body shop in 1970. Our goal is to provide the highest quality repair experience and make it as an enjoyable experience as it possibly can be, because it's not an enjoyable experience to have an accident. Today's automobiles require the latest in technology, equipment, and training to make sure they look right and perform well and maintain value after a collision repair. Our technicians are factory certified and our equipment is the latest. Neil Huffman Collision Center offers virtual repair estimates, which is where you take pictures and we can walk you through it. You call us, you take pictures, send them to us, and we can send you back a completed estimate with photos. We communicate with the insurance companies. Technicians are ICAR certified, which is the top training available in the United States. For more information, visit us at neilhuffmancollision.com.